Ah, do,
Hey, what is your ping, boys?
15.
good ping.
5 ping.
70.
मेरा कुछ तो routing का लोचा है, but no problem.
Don't pull क्या?
No. Don't pull. It's a routing issue.
Stupid. I wanted to say Karthik's reaction.
पहली चकाल लग रही है.
Proud.
No.
Oh shit! This is that dirty.
Deepak, if you take my stopping power again, na,
Rahul, just play now.
Yeah.
I will not revive you. I swear to God.
Already lagging शुरू हो गया ना मेरा.
Ping power.
Then you also can't. You can't pick up my daddies.
No, that is a free game.
No, what?
That is
You
a
can't
free
make.
game.
You make the rules, bud.
Shut up, dude. Fucking
Everyone take everyone's everything now. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, everyone take everyone's everything.
I'm not buying the loadout only. मैं ऐसा
तो
loadout
राहुल
खरीद
का
के
पहना
चॉपर
हुआ
लेके
साइकिल
किधर
उतार
तो
के
भी
पहने.
prison में जाके फेंकेगा मैं. Don't take stopping power, man. Fuck.
मैं तो अभी सब उठाएगा बीच. सबका सब कुछ उठा दे. Full troll, max troll.
Yeah, seriously, मैं भी. हर्षित.
Yeah.
We have the new squirrel spot, okay?
Yes,
सब कुछ
yes.
उठा देने का.
सबका सब कुछ उठा लेगा बीच.
हाँ.
पहना हुआ सेशल उतार के पहन लेगा.
No one came here, right?
Yeah, they
Looks
came
like.
No one came.
Mean guy यार.
Harshad is a cheat.
Fucking yeah, they came ना. Luggage साला.
अरे इधर lower floor में कुछ नहीं है.
Lower floor में ऊपर भी नहीं है. Actually, है मेरे पास.
False intel to my team alpha, okay?
Dude, this place is not providing.
Yeah, dude.
What is this, dude? इतना
We-
ढूंढा नीचे zero.
Barely have the. We have the money.
अभी आ गया ना?
अभी आ गया.
Gas station.
Gas in my ass.
Gas
In my ears.
in my ass.
Hey, take it easy.
Para.
Should the fire. Hey,
Come back, man. I
guys,
have no dollars.
What?
I need AR ammo. I need SMG.
Hey, Rahul.
देखो मैं तो ना चालू.
शुरू में तो ये आप हाँ.
Deepak, is that you?
That is a very lame attempt.
Deepak,
Lame.
hey, give money. Deepak, are you kidding? Fucking annoying.
Pull in, get plates or
Shut
something.
up. Buy UAV.
पैसे नहीं है UAV के लिए.
नहीं लेना.
You wanna exchange? Yeah, you wanna exchange? Yeah.
Exchanging है.
Munitions over here.
Someone keep that item.
If someone buy, we need plates.
Listen, munitions over here. Don't forget.
I don't have the money.
Boys,
Where's
please
my
rank
buy
plates, yeah,
plates,
Harsha is
Rahul.
there, behind over there.
Ah, over there.
Rahul, give me at least. Thank you, bro.
Sala Bhiku.
Hey, Bhiku किसको बोला रे?
Bhiku बोलेगा? Bhiku बोलेगा आपको?
Piku matre.
घुमाते. Fucking long time after that.
Vehicle किधर है? हमारा vehicle. Vehicle में बैठेगा.
Hey, it's
Why
not.
they don't allow you to sit in the front with the driver?
Yeah, that's stupid of them.
हाँ.
This
क्या
is
engine
in
रखा है
zone by the way. Prison.
Karthik, hold for 1 sec. Hold for 1 sec. I'm putting trophy.
Hey, let's not do this.
Hey, Rahul, no, listen.
We get cucked then.
We get cucked then after we have fucking one UAV.
Economy doesn't work out with a cock out.
सब मरने.
गान मार देगा prison में. इसके venture. इतना गान मारेगा ना.
Prison is inside.
Called RAM for a reason.
Pop UAV.
I'm popping.
He's on top only, but it looks like he's.
No, he's high level.
Same level.
Okay, he's solo.
I see him.
Yep, he went in here.
Acknowledge waypoint 4.
He went here. I hit him.
I've thrown. I broke him. Nice.
Sofa देख रहा है इधर motherchode.
हाँ, नया सोफा बनाया ले.
This is the room. See, someone detail. Why?
Come. Let's go. You want to take the chopper, right?
Yes. More mobility.
For one guy, we got so much money.
Yeah, because you're the party.
Appreciate you.
Arrête de long.
हमें 92 डैमेज देके किल ले
खरीदना
लिया
है ये पिकअप लेना है कार्तिक
नहीं
Yeah, good idea.
या गुड आइडिया
What you said? Rahul Sala Chindi.
Taking a bite.
कोई नहीं देखेगा.
Rahul, you got the fucking kill.
That's what I was saying, dude. I threw a Semtex and that's all. मेरे को kill मिला.
चलेगा. Team game है.
Someone fucking do it. I'm so scared of the chopper after the recent. Hey!
oh fuck
Dude, इतना panic मत कर बे.
Shit, तू तेको पता है ना क्या हुआ last time?
हाँ,
Don't
पर वो-
take yourself. Don't take
okay
yourself.
don't take self
Yeah, I already took yeah. Why you didn't tell before?
Why are you saying don't take yourself?
Harshit, we can use this to buy. It's still in zone. You know what I mean?
Look at this.
Then we play aggressive now. Buy UAVs. What are you all setting at
I
this thing
bought
for?
UAV.
I bought already.
UAV.
I bought a UAV
Okay, let's
Bought my
I'm popping
UAV.
one and buying one more
Tactic. That's so rude. Dude.
oh fuck I can't buy one more I
Taking
need
a bite.
800 more
I think has the monies.
It's okay. Come. Yeah.
And I have some monies. अच्छा सुनो, कुछ करने को नहीं है, ये करने का. और सर्किल तक टाइगर, उसके बाद बॉम्बिल.
there's a team here
pop UAV again.
Pop.
I'm.
I popped. अपना नीचू ही है, अपना अंदर.
Down one.
Nice.
Oh, one guy went out here.
he's out here he went inside again
Yeah, that's what. There's a guy landing here.
Let's contact.
He fell down and then.
Purple पे. अच्छा.
hey on top there's one more he's thirsting please top slow thank you
Relax, Team Alpha.
thank you fuck he didn't show up on the UAV
There's one person in this.
Different team.
Yep.
Above. Jumped out.
He jumped out.
I don't see him
Got it.
People, team on the right.
Yep.
Outside.
Yes.
They took the car.
car's coming towards me
Yeah. Caught out.
car stopped
In the house.
UAV.
In the house here.
Movement! Taking direct fire!
One's in the roof. One's in the roof.
one's down
One's on top.
one
one's
more
on
here
top.
help he jumped down
I downed one.
Thermite out!
Killed one.
Here. On me.
Acknowledge waypoint 4.
Yeah. Plating. Need to plate.
Gas is closing. Get to the new safe zone.
You're good. Sit tight.
did you all kill the other guy I downed
No. I downed also one guy. He's still alive.
Back the guy. Yeah. Killed him.
Pop a UAV now. Whoever has it,
Okay,
fire.
I got a team up.
I know, but we don't know if anyone's returning or anything, right?
Already popped.
Okay.
Don't wait, yeah.
Hey, can I drop this armor box?
No, there's a satchel.
I have
There's
8
armor
plates.
everywhere.
There's lots of satchels.
Satchel? Okay.
You just look
We
around.
can go continue to hunt, by the way. Look, there's a team in front over there. Just
Take a
buy
look around.
UAVs.
Moving.
Limp Bizkit fucking up this chat.
Karthik come na bye
The loadout also.
drop me also a UAV
Even I need one. Okay.
I can give. You got the
No,
money
I-
over there. I'll drop money. I don't know. Deepak,
I got a self
I picked a UAV.
why?
I mean I got a UAV
Okay, but you picked a UAV, right, Rahul?
Yeah,
Harshit, you have a
I got
UAV?
it.
picked one.
Yes.
Okay, I need to get this chopper now somehow.
I got it.
Okay.
You got
bring
it?
Bring it.
Losing ground. Occupied.
Oh no! What have I done? Guys,
What have we done?
where did we pick up the loadout?
This house near the bay.
Behind the buy.
Oh lord. I've
Yeah,
lost
it's
my
gone,
apex.
Karthik here.
Assault rifle.
Oh,
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Come, let's go.
Hey,
Should we pop one? I have a feeling people must be coming back, yeah.
Yeah, pop now.
I'll pop.
I'll
Friendly
fly.
UAV overhead. I'll take this.
They ghosted up top, yeah?
Yeah, blue ke udhar.
They bought a loadout.
Lodi. Right here, at this mark.
You jump off on this building, okay? I'm going further down. Jump here.
He's broken.
Jump here, please.
Jumping.
One more broken. He's broken.
Down one guy.
Done.
Nice.
Why, two people inside my house.
Coming to your house. Down one more.
Last guy's still inside.
Hey, two people on me. Two
Came
people
out
on
here.
me.
He came out here. He came out at purple.
Huh.
Live marked him.
Downstairs below me.
Lethal out.
Rahul, he's here, brother.
Okay.
He's gone behind the house. On top
I
now.
shot
Yes.
him. Yep, he went down.
Hey, someone else is also shooting me.
He's up. Killed him.
You're lucky I win.
Someone shot me. Ghosted.
Who threw
Whose
that
gas grenade?
I threw it.
Pop one more.
Posted.
I don't have it.
Posted, no?
Ghosted.
Buy if you need to buy.
Buying.
Rahul, you popped your UAV already?
Yeah, I popped. Yeah, I need one.
I'm giving. Okay, drop my money over there.
Okay.
Yeah, in the chopper.
Alright. I'll drop more. No need.
What?
Nothing. I thought it's somebody else wanted.
Fuck, chopper's outside zone.
Sidhu, please don't do this here. Please stop. Go somewhere else, please, to do this. Do in the hall or some the kitchen.
Come on.
Abey, we came all the way up.
Why?
It's okay na. Come down now. Come.
Is it?
I'll take this. All right.
Rahul, pop.
Copy.
Friendly UAV overhead.
I think we are going to lose the port wala buy, so I'm going to angle towards that so we can purchase our self-revives.
I don't have a
Mera to wo
self
chala
revive
gaya,
there.
self-revive
Mera bhi
option
chale
went
gaya.
away. It's
I
only
bought
for
UAV.
one thing
Inside
you
this
put.
house, one guy.
Stand by
So,
for
no,
position.
my point being, you all
Full team, boys, focus.
Full team down in port.
Okay, take off. Jump off if you need to. I'm going to angle where I feel it's fit.
Don't go to
Enemy
green.
team is tracking
Deepak,
your
I need
position.
recon on my position.
orange is the bigger threat.
In the AO.
Coming.
Gas is inbound. Marking new safe zone.
Hey, this guy's moving towards me.
Down the guy on top.
I downed a guy here. I'm safe. There's a guy
I'm going
down.
to Deepak. I'm going to Deepak. Okay, you go.
UAV is bingo fuel. RTB for
Throwing
resupply.
stun. Lights out.
Thank you.
Well played, yeah.
There's one
Okay,
more guy
boys.
here. Huh? Oh, you killed that guy?
I killed him. He,
Wipe का sound तो आया.
Guys, I know this is a new strat, but my point being, if you're doing one of those contracts out of nowhere, it's when all of us are alive, the point is that we use the buy zone as a place to self-revive, revive people. And if you're going to lose the buy zone, like in this case, we're going to lose it to gas, then at that point we buy a self-revive.
Yeah, but the thing is, on a self-revive buy zone, na, if you buy anything else, your self-revive option goes away.
Yes.
Yeah, we
exactly.
shouldn't buy anything,
I
yeah.
know that. So
Don't buy anything.
my point
Sorry, I'm
being,
not into this, but you can go on.
why we left Hashi?
That's fine.
oh, sorry, I was
Gas
talking.
is closing in.
No worries, I have a chopper.
And we lost. Okay, it's fine. We have how many UAVs now?
I have a UAV.
I don't
I
have
have one. I have one.
Safe zone.
I can buy one though. I have 4 grenades.
Let's pop. Let's pop one. Harshit, everyone
I'm
get into
popping.
the chopper. Everyone get into
I'm
the
popping.
chopper.
Friendly UAV overhead.
Get into the chopper. And we go center circle. Go, Harshit, you
Taking a
drive.
bite.
Okay.
Save me a seat.
Let's go top of maybe this building right here. Go here.
Relocating.
Not seeing anyone. Huh?
Right, increased in downtown for Deepak.
Yeah.
Y'all want to pop out?
No,
They're
behind
shooting
us,
us.
behind us.
They are targeting me.
You heard that?
Yeah.
Behind me.
देखो मारा मारा.
मेरे को भी मारा.
Enemy precision
Precision,
airstrike.
can you save the
Saving.
chopper?
Yeah.
Occupied it.
See, this is such a bad airstrike.
Hmm. Come back, Hachi. Come.
They're here, huh?
Hey, they flew down.
Hit one guy. Can one of you champions take one for the team and just go and finish a contract?
Marking supply run
Safe.
contract.
You lost the
And then
enemy track.
Rahul, except for Rahul, not anyone else.
क्योंकि हम गाड़ी नहीं चला सकते ना.
Harshit, just leave all your guns here and go now.
So what do you want me to do? I didn't
Just
understand.
do a supply run so that we get a circle in zone. I'm just trying something. I'm not doing. Yeah, just go.
I'll take the
Just go and do a supply run, solo mission on your own.
Why did I leave both my guns?
So that if we buy you back when you die, you can
Yeah,
take
but he should have taken one now. How he'll defend himself for that?
He doesn't need to. He's only on a solo.
Yeah, we'll buy him here. We
Whether
have
it
enough
happens or
money.
not.
Time's running out. Get to the target
This
area.
one's pretty close to us, so that's good. He'll
I'll
be
take
fine.
the stick.
There's a chopper here.
Kilo marked.
Deepak, watch over me, please.
Watch over you, okay?
Good stuff.
Nice one.
Come back.
Clean. You're clear for
Not to buy
fire.
anything, right?
No,
Nah,
don't
don't
buy
buy.
anything.
Closing.
I'll
Get to
fly.
the new safe zone.
Actually, Harshit,
Ah,
you can buy.
I have a
self.
UAV.
You can buy a self over there.
yeah.
But Karthik, then he loses the ability to buy someone back. Free.
Yeah.
I'm not
Correct,
buying. I'm not buying anything. Arey, Deepak, but look at circle now. Now we play for end game. Now someone
Okay.
dies, someone dies. We have the money though
Hmm.
to revive, right?
I got myself and I'm coming back.
Yeah, come back.
Hey, there's a guy coming to the chopper, Karthik. Blaze it. Blaze the chopper. Do we have ammo? Box?
We'll Rahul go by.
I have an armor box.
Enemy
If
precision.
precision-
Precision.
Take cover.
I'll fly.
I couldn't save mine.
It's okay.
I got it.
We still have one. Just make sure no one's coming up on us.
Yeah.
We're in the
I
safe
have
zone.
the grapple.
Okay.
You want me to go get this thing?
Who's shooting?
Yeah, somebody's shooting the
I'll take the stick.
elite.
On the right side, enemy shooting the chopper. I think from here.
Movement.
कौन मार रहा है बे?
ये chopper वाले मार.
ये देख इधर
Movement.
Rahul, go down, buy an ammo box quickly.
Okay, I'm jumping.
चूतिया precision ही कमाल है चौथा. Rahul, buy ammo box and a precision, okay, for yourself.
Ammo box and a precision, okay. Okay. But I'm coming up the grapple, okay? Please cover me from your
Watching.
Someone's still shooting a chopper. What the fuck is it? Is it you, dude? Yeah, it's him only. Chutya. broke him. Okay. My turn. Okay.
You want me to drop
You
the
just chopper na, boys.
Enemy helo.
I got your ammo box.
Oh, no, lovely.
Your plate box. Sorry. I'm coming from inside. We stay up here only. We don't need to.
Yeah.
Deepak. Take Harshad's money and go and buy a self-revive.
Okay.
Fighting's done. The
still
area's
in zone.
clear now.
Here.
Gas is closing in. Relocating
You're
the
going?
safe zone.
Yeah.
Cover him, huh? Cover him.
Okay.
Got a loadout drop inbound.
Blaze this. Oh no, I don't know. No, it's just one guy. Forget him. He's trying to revive his teammate. You're up, Deepak.
Yep, I'm up. Coming up.
Rahul, listen. You're watching the
Yeah.
zip line, okay?
Okay. See,
Harshad.
there are 2 loadouts near us. Huh? You can hold that, Karthik. People will come.
Yeah. The chopper guy, this guy landed here. see?
Enemy marked.
He
Full team,
fuck-
full team.
Transport.
On hospital. Oh shit, they're sniping at us.
Oh, I can't.
Gas is closing in.
We probably need a ammo box quickly, okay? Just drop
I'll
your
drop
ammo here.
Drop all your ammo and pick up.
They're still there only. They took off now. They missed one guy. I'm gonna blaze this chopper, okay? They're in zone. Guys, we can legit blaze this chopper, okay, when it comes. We have the ammo also. It's right here.
Movement.
It's right. Where? Oh.
There.
See your mark.
They're coming out. Look at these guys.
Okay.
Enemy marked.
Blaze. Down 2. Down 3.
That's a kill.
Nice.
Nice.
Nice one, boys.
You've got gas inbound. Safe zone relocated.
Okay, listen. Clear that building on top. Let's see. Is anyone here?
Moving
No,
here.
right?
Let's check.
They're going now.
Mark the target.
In the chopper, everyone in the chopper.
Okay.
Whoever can
I'll take
jump
the
to that building right now.
Okay.
Taking a bite.
Oh god.
I'm hit.
From red?
Gun out.
Yeah, from red.
I stunned him. I stunned this guy.
Where is he? I can't see.
I'm getting hit from the.
Enemy.
इधर नीचे पेट्रोल पंप.
Petrol pump में.
Okay. Don't pick him. We just stay top, okay?
Losing ground.
If we stay top, we win here.
Okay.
Karthik, there's a team on the right also, huh?
Okay.
Lodi side.
Okay.
CCC. Team on the right is
Track
shooting.
the guy.
Lodi side. Okay, got it. They're not on top.
Where am
Don't
He's on the
peek
roof.
them.
He's on the roof. He's on the roof.
Okay,
He jumped
coming,
down.
I'm coming. Guys, you all focus on the red team, okay? The gas station team. Me and Deepak will
Okay.
focus right. Deepak, don't play aggressively. I have a plate
Yeah,
box. if
Karthik, see,
needed.
he's at the green marker. 2 people.
I'm coming to you. Wait.
I need help. One precision there will fuck them.
Friendly UAV.
Rahul,
I
Rahul,
downed
don't
one
die.
guy. No, I
Precision,
downed one guy.
precision if you need to, bro.
Precision that, Karthik.
Be advised.
Oh, they jumped down.
Precision airstrike inbound.
Kill some random guy here.
There's obviously people under us also.
Gas is inbound. Marking new safe zone.
Okay, we have height. Deepak, you and I will be jumping here, okay?
Moving here.
Okay.
Actually, we'll jump here on top of this.
Moving here.
Okay.
Get on the topmost one.
He's inside that little gas station wala house.
Yeah.
I need
Oh my
recon on
god.
my
No,
position.
no.
Pick him up.
From there only.
I got him.
Okay.
I need plates, huh?
I have a
No, I
plate
don't
box.
have that.
Gas is closing in.
He come drop
You
na.
need-
Even I need-
Jump on blue on top. Try and get high ground on top.
I need plates here.
Oh,
though.
team नीचे से.
Be advised, UAV is bingo fuel. RTB for resupply.
If I jump to blue, I might die. Huh? Almost died.
Either one at the tent.
Yeah.
Deepak, I need plates, please.
Yeah, I have no plates.
I broke the guy at the tent who's
Rahul,
running.
come, Rahul, come. Guys, plates below me. Come to the house below. Just come to the house below 1 sec. If you need plates,
They're
here.
shooting me. Oh god, yeah.
Plates down here.
Yeah.
Everyone just play together. We are going through here, okay? We're going through blue. We're going
Yes.
through blue.
Yes.
There's a team on our right.
Yes.
It's a long way to the
Don't
safe
forget to
zone.
use your nades.
Grenade out.
Me copying, relax.
Five targets remain. Let's get it done.
You're not dead yet.
Hold them now.
Yep.
Fire back at them. They're all on the right.
I'm just throwing a stun to be sure.
Throwing stun.
Yeah.
Lovely.
Nice game.
Well played, yeah. Very well played.
Karthik,
Very
excellent
tactical.
calling. Yeah, excellent
Yeah,
calling.
Excellent
superb
calling.
shot
He
calling.
Excellent.
Very well. Nice. तेरा shot unit मेरा बड़ा आती. 220 ping.
One easy win. Fuck you. 220 ping वाला winner.
Yeah.
तेरा छोटा units, तेरा बड़ा units को मारा. GG's.
It is.
Very well called. Yeah.
Tactical game.
Good game, boys. Good game. Yeah, tactical.
Karthik, see when you communicate like this continuous na, how we perform.
But it takes a lot from my side to be.
It's okay, but one